In this video, we will take a quick look at the customer management features available in Webtrix24 Rental CRM. On the left side, you can see the side panel. Click on the Customers module. The customer list page will open. The Customers section helps businesses manage customer information, rental records, and customer-related activities from one centralized place. On the top right, you will see the Create button. Click on the Create button to open the customer form. In this form, the customer name is a required field. All other fields are optional. The assignee field is automatically selected based on the logged-in user. The customer email must be unique. If the email already exists, the system will show an error message. You can fill other details like mobile number, address, and more if needed. These fields can also be filled later. After entering the details, click on the Save button. The customer will be saved successfully. Once the customer is saved successfully, the customer record appears in the customer list view. The list view displays all saved customer records and provides options to search, filter, export, and manage customer information. You can also customize the columns displayed in the customer list view. Click the plus icon next to the columns to open Manage Columns. Here, you can select or unselect the columns you want to display in the list. You can also rearrange the columns according to your requirement. After making the required changes, click Apply. The customer list view will then display the selected columns in the updated order. The search option allows you to quickly find a specific customer from the list. The filters option allows you to filter customer records based on the available criteria. Now that the filter has been applied, you can save it for future use. Open the filters option and click Save Filter. Enter a name for the filter. You can choose the filter visibility as public or private. A public filter can be used by other authorized users, while a private filter is available only to you. Select the required option and click Save Filter. Your filter is now saved and can be accessed from the Save tab whenever you need it. Customer data can be exported using the More option. You can export customer records in PDF or Excel format. If no filter is applied, the complete customer data is exported. When a filter is applied, only the filtered customer records are exported. This makes it easy to generate specific customer data and reports quickly. The list view also provides actions for managing customer records. When you hover over a customer record, the Edit and Customer Report options are available. The Edit option allows you to update the customer's information. The Customer Report option opens the rental report for the selected customer. The customer report can also be accessed from the Report section by selecting the required customer. In this video, we have only shown how to access the customer report. The complete customer report and its features will be explained in our next video. This is how Webtrix24 Rental CRM helps businesses create and manage customer records, quickly find information, apply and save filters, export customer data, update records, and access customer rental reports from one place. Thank you for watching.